Hey people, welcome back. And here today we are going to see how to prepare this super soft and moist, full of flavors of spices carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. This carrot cake is best for any celebration and especially for Easter season. Anyways, Easter season is passed by, but we can enjoy this cake anytime or any get together. So let's begin with the recipe. So here first we'll start by assembling the dry ingredients. So in a sieve add 250 grams of maida, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, followed by 1 plus half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and for flavors 1 teaspoon of allspice powder. Sift all the dry ingredients in a bowl and keep it aside. Give a stir to the ingredients so that it gets mixed nicely. Now take another bowl and let's mix the wet ingredients. Now add half cup of oil followed by half cup of curd because we are making the cake eggless. Whisk well the yogurt and oil until combines nicely. Now add 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence. Then add half cup of milk which is warm. Whisk until everything gets nicely combined. Now at this point of time, we are going to add the dry ingredients in two parts. First we'll add half portion of dry mixture and combine and mix everything really well. After the first batch is mixed, we are going to add the remaining dry ingredients. Combine everything really well until there are no flour pockets in the batter. Once you see that batter is nicely combined, time to add the carrots. So here we have taken 250 grams of grated carrots. Add the same to the batter. And combine the carrots in the batter nicely. Now take the batter and keep it aside. Meanwhile, take a cake tin which is lined up with a parchment paper. Transfer the prepared cake batter. Once the batter is transferred to the cake tin, give a tap 2 or 3 times so that the batter gets settled nicely into the tin. And bake the cake in preheated oven at 180 degrees to 45 to 50 minutes or until the skewer inserted comes out clean. Once the cake is out of the oven, allow it to cool down completely. Look at the cake. It is so moist and spongy. Let the cake cool down. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the cream cheese frosting for the cake. Now take a bowl, add 100 grams of butter which is soft, followed by 75 grams of cream cheese. Using electric beater, whisk until smooth and creamy. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Scrape the sides and clear the mixture. Add 1 cup of icing sugar and whisk again until everything is combined well and it's smooth and creamy. Whisk until you get nice peaks for the frosting. This is perfect. Now in 2 small bowls, remove 1/4 cup each in 2 different cups for the carrot design. Now take the cake and spread the remaining cream cheese frosting on top of the cake and just spread over the cake and cover the top layer. You could even use piping bag and give design as per your choice, but I wanted simple, so I didn't use piping bag. I just spread the cream cheese frosting over the cake. Now to make the carrot design, take the bowls of the cream cheese which we have added in the cups. So in 1 cup add the green color and in 1 cup add the orange color. Combine the gel colors nicely. And after combining the color, transfer the cream cheese to piping bags. And now take the orange cream and draw a carrot design on top of the cake. I have just used a simple technique to draw the carrot design. You could do in your way and use a green cream cheese to draw the leaves of the carrot. Look at that. It looks so pretty. Perfect Easter carrot cake is ready. This carrot cake is very tasty and delicious, and it's great for any birthday party or any celebration of your loved ones. Thank you for watching and see you again with such beautiful recipe.